Hi, today let me share my experience in dealing with public office. It's a governmental office. I have no complaint. Whatever I'll be saying today, it has no complaint, only neutral and some positive lessons. So, I went to this public office. I needed a service to be done, right? Documentation to be done. I will not name the department, I will not name what job because you will be able to guess. I'm just saying in neutral. I went to this office and then I realized I already know one person from there so that he can guide me what to do. And then when I went there, he immediately said, you need to fill up a form. First thing, when you deal with public office, remember if you're asking for some service, you have to fill a form. And that form was 3 pages. And I had to collect from some other room. And then I realized I had to know what to fill, what the form is asking, and I had to fill without any error, right? Because it's a public office. And then after that, they said the concerned clerk, I had to go to another room, and the clerk there said, for this to be fulfilled, for my requirement to be fulfilled, you need this and this X and Y and Z certificates, like certificates or documents. And then I asked again the guy who guided me. He said, okay, yes, I forgot to tell you this. Go to this office and then go to this office. For this document, you'll get from that office. For this document, you'll get it from that office. Because I was not staying here for most of the time, I had to search. I had to ask people also, where is this office? And then, okay. I reached these two offices. First one, okay, I got that document, whatever is required. And then I had to go to another document, to another office for another document. It is, fortunately, I am in a city, so everything is nearby only. As near as 400 meters, 500 meters distant. And then when I collected these, I had to pay for service like lawyers, affidavit. Some there are official fees, I had to pay that and then come back to this office. And then I had to meet this officer. He wanted to meet whatever he's processing, to meet whether that thing is mine or I'm doing it on somebody else's behalf. And then I had to wait. The officer was in the meeting. There were many people waiting, but I stuck to that place only. Just near to the door, so that I will not miss a chance. I was available the whole day. I was energetic, so I could finish those 2 jobs from other offices. And then I waited. Just when the meeting finished, I asked the person sitting there. He said, yes, you can go. And then I went, I got it signed, and then I came out. And then I came to know that electricity went. There was no electricity. There was no electricity in that whole building. And then I had to wait for that. Okay. After this also, they will process my requirement, my application, and then they will ask me to come again. And I don't know what else I'll have to do, but it should not be long. The type of requirement that I have should not take more than 1 week. Okay, my point here is that anything, if you're dealing with public department, any public office, you have to fill up forms. You have to find out where the forms are. You have to know what they are asking, the required documents to be attached along with the document, and you have to know where to go, whom to approach, and how much they are charging for what service. They must be having some fees. Okay, so the person who's applying for anything, for service to be done from a public office, there are so many things, so many processes to be involved. And for that, you need to be patient and you need to be ready. Don't go blindly, just expecting things to go smoothly. In fact, if everything is smooth, maybe you have a good day, like 1% of the chance, 1% chances that everything will go smooth for you. And it went smooth for me also. I got full cooperation from every department. But imagine for those who go with expectation that everything will go smooth and there was no electricity, the officer is not who's supposed to be there, he's not there, he's going for some other meetings, like electricity and the availability of people. and knowing where to go, knowing what to fill, it takes a lot of effort, and there are processes to be followed. Why? Because this is a public office. And for me, the things that I have to do, I have to do. For you also, if you have to do, have patience, and you have to go through the process of filling up the forms and meeting different people and approaching different departments to get one job done. But it's the way it is everywhere in the world. It is like that, so be patient. Today I got full cooperation from everyone, from every department. Still it took time, and it will take more time. Thank you so much. If everything is going smooth, maybe you're going downhill. You're going this way, you don't need help from anyone. You just go. Gravity will pull you, negativity will pull you. Going up takes effort and patience. Yeah, the reason I'm making this video is that many people will tell you that you do this thing, it's easy, just go there and do this thing. If you want to get some documentation from the public office, that is a government office, because public office involves public money, so everything has to be on record and everything has to be proper. So be ready whenever you deal with government office or public office. I have been there, I have worked with the government for 20 years. I know what it is, the requirement of keeping record, the importance of keeping records, very important. So don't get disappointed if the office asks you for some documents. It is required, like 100% of the time I can say it is required. You have to give it, you can't bypass anything. And be ready that the concerned officer might be there, might not be there. It might be lunchtime for everyone, there might not be electricity, it might also be a break time, it might not be also a visiting hours. They have visiting hours like 10 to 2:30, like 10 to 3, or whatever it's official visiting hours. Make sure you're in between those times, make sure you're not going in lunch break, make sure that you get yourself ready 2-3 days in reserve, because they may ask something which you have to go to another office. That office working hours is different, the concerned staff or officer is not available at that department. You never know. Whenever you're dealing with public office, be ready with a reserve days, number of days ahead of you, and the fees that are required to be paid, and the documents that they are going to ask. Be ready. I've worked with the government, that's why I understand these things. I cooperated and they cooperated. There was full cooperation and all the staffs were available for me today for all the required jobs that was supposed to be done today. But why I'm making this video is that don't expect everything to go smooth. If everything is smooth, you are lucky, just like I was today. So thank you so much. I hope it helps. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something today. It takes patience, and there are processes for everything. You can't just bypass anything. And if everything is easy, maybe, I'm not saying totally, maybe there's 90% chance you are going downhill. I mean, you're not going to grow. Thank you so much. See you next time.